Hi Jared and Maddie, this is gonna be the first cooking film that I'm recording.
Today we're going to be doing onions and liver, a favorite recipe of all of ours, and I'm going to show you how to do onions and liver in an Instapot. So here are the things you need. You need a small Instapot, you need a bag of frozen onions, you need a jar of organic chicken livers, which we're not going to open just yet, some coconut oil, and some salt. So the first step is we're going to saute the onions. So we're going to set the Instapot to saute, which is about a 10-minute operation. I'm going to toss in the onions. Back up just a little bit, Aaron, you're too close. I'm going to toss in the onions. Going to add just a couple of, maybe half a teaspoon of salt. And then a nice big scoop of coconut oil. And then we're going to let that saute, and we're going to stir it, and this will take about 10 minutes. Alright, so we'll be back once these onions are sauteed. Alright, so we've been sauteing these onions for the last 10 minutes. Go ahead and get a nice shot of what the onions look like now. So they're ready to go. Now ordinarily when you're doing Instapot cooking, you have to add liquid to make sure there's enough liquid to create steam. But in this case, I believe that between the onions and the liquid-based chicken livers, we'll have enough liquid. So I shouldn't need to add any liquid of my own. But ordinarily,
chicken livers have a lot of liquid
right?
in them.
But that's only true if your chicken livers have a lot of liquid. If you had more dry chicken livers, you need to add your own, because all Instapot cooking has to have enough liquid to create steam and pressure.
About 1 cup.
So we're just going to carefully dump those in. You always need at least like a half a cup of liquid. Alright, so we're going to dump that in, super easy. And now all we're going to do is put the lid on and set the Instapot to pressure cook for 12 minutes. And we can see the final product here, which is liver and onions. And I'm just going to kind of poke around a little bit with my spoon, and you can kind of see the consistency if I break one of these open. You can see that it's cooked all the way through, nice and evenly. Everything's a nice, even cook. If it was pink inside or red inside, that'd be bad. But that's the great thing about the Instapot. Everything gets very well done, and there's not very, it doesn't have inconsistent cook times. 12 minutes for chicken liver should get the job done. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.